It's so difficult for me to transpose. I mean, I've done the job that I can do. I want them to take away and hopefully find something in there that they can relate to. And there's 4 quite diverse characters in this who have experienced their own kind of traumas and overcome certain things. And I think it's something that most audiences will be able to relate to.
I think relatable, whether you're from a small community like hers or even somewhere like here when it comes to, I don't know, other pressures that are put on women. She is a young woman who has grown up in South Texas in an environment that has essentially conditioned her into believing that the role of a woman in her community is to just be of value as a wife. She falls madly in love with someone who has a history with crime, and so they have to sort of go into hiding for a while. The question is it worth suppressing her own identity to be with him?
This is my first feature, and you're working with like these big Hollywood A-listers who were just incredibly humble and generous, and just worked so hard for a film that I would have thought would have been off their radar. It was amazing, really humbling, really humbling.
It's not just about being open and vulnerable, it's about having enough humility to constantly be in a position to self-evaluate and be willing to improve and learn and do whatever that, like whether it's therapy or something else, but constantly staying humble enough to know that you may think you're not the kind of person to make mistakes in certain areas of your life, but you may turn out to be the person that does. It really is humility around self-development, and then also trying to eradicate shame, because it helps you be a more empathetic human being. You know, when you admit to mistakes, we all make them.